excited to share what I just received in the mail from Tummy Tea. Oh, I've gotten so chunky over this last couple years of being here in Germany. So we'll be heading back to the States. So I need to slim down just quite a bit. So I'm so excited to share with you. Let me show you. Okay, so this is what I received. This is called the 30-day detox pack. Okay, so it's the skinny tea and it's the cleanser for the colon. All right, so I have one that's a loose leaf tea, and then one is a actual tea bag. I've done tea cleanse in the past, and they really do work. They help speed up your metabolism and just give you overall energy. So being that I'm about to do a cleaning video, thought this would be a perfect opportunity. Look at this beautiful, I just washed the tumbler out, but it has a detachable base. It just gives you a few warning signs here. It has where it can strain the tea, and I love that it has a little wrist handle that you can use as well. I can attach this on the backpack as I travel, all that good stuff. And then inside of it, it just had a, you know, to keep fresh. I'm so excited for this, really, really excited. So it do recommend to use a teaspoon in hot water. I'm just going to use my Keurig. And then this one, it use one bag every other night, and it'll allow it to seep. So I'm gonna do this at night. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the skinny tea. Ooh, it smells so yummy. This is how it looks. Just some herbal tea. I'm really excited about this. I hope it has a great taste. Alrighty, so now that I have this, I'm going to just let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, and then I can strain it out and enjoy my tea. Okay, this is my very first time testing this tummy tea. Let's see what it tastes like. Not bad. It's just a light tea. It doesn't have a bad taste to it at all. I'm excited about it. It's nothing like some, you know, some tea. You don't have to have any honey. I don't have to have anything added. So I'm excited to see if this really works, because I really, really need it. We got spring break coming up, and then we'll be going back to the States. So I want to lose some pounds. So hopefully this tummy tea, I'll link it below if you guys want to try and get on this weight loss journey with me. enjoyed this. This is pretty much what I do on a daily. I have to hit my kitchen and that main bathroom, and I like to vacuum, especially since I have my new little cordless. It makes it so much easier to just run through my main floor really quickly and be done with it. So I hope you guys enjoy my true, honest opinion. I really enjoyed this tea, so I'm gonna finish off this and just give you an update and let you know how well it's working for me, because I really need an extra boost to get my metabolism going. So I'm hoping it works, because here we're in March. It'll be the summer soon, and I need to get rid of some of this back fat, okay? And until the next time, I hope you guys enjoy. Bye for now. Before I forget, I will link, I do have a discount code, so if you guys want to try this out with me, it is a really yummy tea. I don't know if it works or not. This is my very first time trying this. I have tried teas in the past, and it helps me, you know, to continue to go to the bathroom and all that good stuff. You know how tea is. So if you guys want to try this out, look at this. I love that little handle on this. I'm so excited, and that's my real honest opinion. I'm really excited to try this and see if it works. So until the next time, bye.